A happy and interesting experience. 2 hearts emoji, thumbs up emoji, even a novice can do it. The teacher is very attentive and explains every step clearly, sad face emoji, and will help you to make the finished product without making it fail. Speak no evil monkey emoji. It is very suitable and satisfying for couples who want to play and do crafts together. See no evil monkey emoji. After finishing the crafts, they want to have fun together. You can leave it as a souvenir. Woozy face emoji. The most important thing is the instructor Mabel is very attentive in teaching and will help throughout the process. She also provides us with copper bars for practice. She has plenty of preparations for us. There are also a variety of fonts to choose from. It took more than an hour to complete. Great workshop. Was fun to do and the instructor was so sweet, patient and helpful. She was also able to translate the instructions in English. Perfect for everyone of all levels of creativity as you only need to use basic hand tools and a small handheld electric sand. We had a great experience here. The instructor was very patient and helpful, providing tips to enable us to create our desired bracelet. The instructions on Instagram on how to get to the facility were clear to follow as it may be a little tricky to get there on your own. We arrived there a little early on a weekend and was able to start when we got there. It took about 1 point. If you want to give a special little gift, it is better to choose a gift than the other person according to the department. The tutor is very patient and easier to use than expected. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. It was a great experience with the best teacher. They really love the process and the result is amazing. The bracelet is gorgeous. The instructor is friendly and attentive, and the explanations are simple, easy to understand and clear. The environment is safe and the working space is sufficient. Not too crowded. The copper bracelet experience was fun. The instructor was very patient and would check on our progress from time to time. He would also help when needed. No matter the size, style, pattern, embossing or pattern, you can choose according to your personal preference. The workshop is brilliant, the instruction is clear, the instructor is nice and friendly. Highly recommend to try with partners. Lovely workshop overall. A finished product is beautiful. The workshop host was knowledgeable and helpful. Lots of options of styles and designs which is good. Ability to practice ahead of getting started on finished product. Good value for money. Good service and received a nice end product. Teacher is very patient and welcoming. Enjoyed the experience. Smile. Very nice instructor, Mabel. My advice will be, please research in advance how to go there, don't be late. We did our research but with some unexpected walking, we ended up arriving 5 minutes before start time. Actually, super fun experience. The instructor, Mabel, was kind and encouraging. The techniques are easy to pick up and we were given practice pieces before diving into the actual bracelet. They definitely deserve more recognition. I made an appointment 2 days ago on a whim, and received the voucher immediately. In the morning, the studio will also send a reminder message. The on-site teacher is very nice, hands-on teaching and assistance, very pleasant experience.